안녕하세요, 여러분. This is Anthony Jersaniba, vlogger South Korea. So, episode number 4, guys. Another beginner vocabularies naman ulit ang ating isi-share. So, sa mga gustong kumuha ng copy, mag-PM lang po kayo para kadagdagang vocabularies para sa pag-aaral natin. Okay? So, number 1 is yung nauda, come out, appear. Number 2, nai, age or old. Najong, later, after. Natanada, appear. Nahul, 4 days. Nakshi, fishing. Nal, day. Nalsi, weather. Nalja, date. Nam, south or man. Namkida, live. Namyo, men or women. Namdaemun Sijang. Namdaemun Sijang, ito guys yung pangalan ng lugar dito sa South Korea. Market. Namdongseng ay younger brother. Nami, South America. Nambuk, north and south. Namjaman, Namjuk, south. Nampyon, husband. Namhakseng, male student. Not day, moon or during the day. Natta, low. Ne, of mine or my. Nega, I. Negwa is internal medicine. Nenyon, next year. Neda, pay or put out. Neryokada, go down. Neryoda, come down. Nerida, go down. And then Neyong, content. Neil, tomorrow. Nembi, pat. Nemse, smell. Nemyong, cold noodle. Nenjangu, refrigerator. No you, no mu, too very. Nolda, white. Nomta, exit. Nomochida, fall down. Nota, put in. Ne, yes or for. Necktie. Net, for. Netche, fort. And then nyon, year. Noransek, yellow color. Norata, yellow. Nore, song. Noreba, karaoke shop or video okay. Nore, ada, sing. Nuryok, ada, endeavor. Notu, note. Noksek, green or nokcha, green tea. Nulda, play. Nulata, be surprised. Nonggu, basketball. Nupta, high. Okay guys, so lahat yan guys ay 90 beginner vocabularies. So hindi na natin babasahin yung iba. At papasok na po tayo sa work. So hanggang yan lang guys. Salamat sa panood. Sa mga gustong kumuha ng copy, mag-PM lang po kayo. Salamat, thank you, and God bless.